If you're using ChatGPT to come up with ideas, but still find yourself wondering, how do I actually get the best results? Let me tell you, there is a way. There are two ways of using ChatGPT, but one gave me YouTube ideas I would actually click on, and the other, not so much. And that got me thinking, if both are ChatGPT at the core, how can one perform so much better than the other? So I tested them side by side using the same exact prompts. Now everyone's talking about prompt engineering, the best prompt and all of that stuff. But what I found is that the real difference isn't in the prompt. It's in how you teach the model to think. And once you understand that, your results change completely. Now don't worry, it's very easy to do. Now before I show you how, let's start the test and see which one wins. Ready? Alright, let's put this to the test. I'm going to give both ChatGPT and my custom GPT called Idea Master GPT the exact same prompt and see what happens. The prompt is simple, something any creator might use. I typed in, I've got a base idea for my next YouTube video. Can you help me turn it into 5 viral versions? Here's the base idea. Let's see what happens. Okay, the first thing you'll notice is that normal ChatGPT jumps straight into giving ideas. But Idea Master GPT, it doesn't start right away. It's actually asking me a few clarifying questions first, which is a smart move. Let me quickly answer those questions. All right, I've given the answers and now we've got the ideas. Okay, already you can see the difference. This is the normal ChatGPT result. It's solid but kind of safe and bland. Now look at Idea Master GPT's results. These come in unique formats and angles. These are the kind of ideas you would want if you're trying to stand out from everyone else. And if you take a closer look, it's not just the ideas. The structure is completely different too. Idea Master GPT gives you a concept summary, a curiosity hook, an angle, and even the beaver value. And that's the most important part because if your ideas aren't made for your target audience, nothing else matters, right? And remember, I didn't change the prompt, but the results are on a completely different level. And that's when I realized the real magic isn't about writing better user prompts. It's about how the model is trained to think before it answers. And that's what we are going to break down next. If you're serious about mastering ChatGPT for YouTubers, join my school community. That's where I teach advanced ChatGPT techniques designed just for creators. I'll see you inside. Alright, you just saw both the results. Same prompt, but totally different results. And now the question is, why? Here's the thing, ChatGPT is designed to do a lot of things. Write, plan, brainstorm, and even code. It's a general purpose tool built to help everyone. Students, marketers, developers, business owners, all at once. But because it's trying to be good at everything, it's not specific for you as a YouTuber. I hope that makes sense. So when you ask for YouTube ideas, it does what it's built to do. Give you safe, balanced answers that could work for anyone. Now, Idea Master GPT, on the other hand, is built differently. It's trained with the specific instructions about how creators think, what makes a YouTube idea clickable, and who the audience is. So instead of reacting right away like normal ChatGPT, it pauses, asks clarifying questions, and applies that extra context before answering. That's why it feels so much more targeted. Even if you're not using custom GPTs yet, you can still get results right now. Before you ask ChatGPT ideas, give it context. Tell it who you are, who your audience is, and what kind of results you're looking for. Let me know in the comments if you want me to make another video to show you exactly how to do this in your normal ChatGPT. Alright, now let's quickly look how you can actually make ChatGPT think like this. And don't worry, it's way easier than you think. When you create a custom GPT, the most important part is right here, the system instructions. This is where you teach the model how to think and who it's helping. This is the brain of your GPT. You can tell it things like who you are as a creator, who your audience is, how you want ideas structured, and what kind of results you expect. And the other key part is the knowledge base. This is where you can upload your guidelines, your channel info, your notes, and everything so it already knows what you're looking for before you even start typing. Pretty cool, right? That's all it takes for you to make ChatGPT think like you. If you want me to show you the exact setup, prompts, and everything I used to build this custom GPT, comment custom GPT below. Or if you want to skip the setup and have one made for your channel, use the form below and send me a message. I'll build it with you step by step. And if you want to go deeper and learn advanced ChatGPT workflows built for YouTubers, join my school community. That's where I share prompts, templates, daily tutorials, courses, and everything to help you grow faster using AI. I'll see you inside. Cheers. Next, watch this video if you want to get the maximum out of your normal ChatGPT.